Welcome. If you've been getting constant approval request notifications from Google Drive and they're becoming more distracting than helpful, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated and simple steps to turn those off completely, so you can focus on what really matters without unnecessary interruptions. Let's get started. First, pick up your phone and open up your main Settings app. This is where you can control all the apps and their notification preferences. Scroll through the list until you find Apps, then give that a tap. Next, look for Google Drive in the Apps list and open it. This will bring up a menu with all the options related to Drive on your device. From here, tap on Notifications. Now, this is where things get a little more specific. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see an option labeled Notification Categories. Tap on that to open up more detailed controls for the types of alerts Google Drive sends you. Within these categories, look for the one that says Approvals. This is the section specifically responsible for requests and update alerts when someone is waiting for you to review or approve something. Once you find Approvals, simply tap it. Here you'll see a toggle switch next to Allow Notifications. Go ahead and turn that off. And that's it. No more buzzing, dinging, or distracting alerts about approvals from Google Drive. From now on, you'll still be able to use the app normally, access your files, and collaborate with others, but you won't be interrupted every time an approval notification comes through. You'll have more control over when you check in, instead of letting random alerts pull you away from whatever you're doing. So if staying focused is your goal, this quick change will make a big difference. It takes less than a minute, but it saves you from a long list of unnecessary distractions later. Thanks for following along.